Like a torch illuminating a deep darkness, wildfires pierce through dry forests. Forests across the United States are dry due to a shift in fire management toward wildfire suppression in the 1910s. In suppressing wildfires, however, benefits to the local ecosystem are refuted. Wildfires rejuvenate the soil by putting nutrients back into the soil. They also clear forests to allow other plants to get more sunlight and thus grow, increasing the biodiversity of the area. Wildfires begin with just a single spark. Natural fires begin from lightning strikes. Planned fires are often lit by torches. Most fires are caused by human misconduct, whether that be a lit match in a dry forest or a campfire that rages out of control. Wildfires grow as they consume fuel. Fuel can include things like dried leaves, branches, and plants. The drier the area and the greater the amount of fuel, the worse the wildfire. In order to spread, they need heat, fuel, and oxygen. The spark often provides the heat needed to ignite the fuel. The fires then consume oxygen, getting hotter and heating the surrounding fuel, thus spreading across the wilderness. Fires can also spread by embers being carried on the wind. Wildfires can begin in the ground, smoldering in dead leaves, or they can begin on the surface. Many fires are surface fires, which spread along the forest floor and consume grasses and shrubs. Major wildfires can also flare into crown fires that stretch and consume the tops of trees. And then slowly, once the fires run out of fuel, they begin to die down and no longer burn.